How to turn off Windows notifications on Windows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Windows so you can work without any interruptions. First, click on the search bar and search Settings. Then open Settings, or you can also press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to get there faster. Now click on System and then select Notifications from the left side menu. At the top, you'll see a toggle for notifications. Simply switch it off to turn off all notifications at once. If you don't want to turn off everything, you can scroll down and turn off notifications for specific apps individually. Just find the app you want to silence and toggle it off. And if you ever want your notifications back, just come back to the same screen and switch the toggle back on. And that's it. Turning off notifications in Windows takes just a minute and makes a huge difference when you really need to focus.